After a year of driving this truck, I can safely say I've got winter experience. That's why they want you to have 1 year experience before you make the big bucks.
And today certainly counts as winter experience. As you can see, lots of snow in Hudson, Colorado on I-76. We're heading west, making our way towards California, but not without a few problems along the way. Join us today, and be sure, if you like traveling with us, to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Welcome to the joy of trucking. And now buckle up, stay warm, let's go.
7 degrees outside, -1 with the wind chill. Speed limit on I-76 is 75 miles an hour. We're doing 45. That's okay with me. Well, after a year of driving this truck, I can safely say I've got winter experience. That's why they want you to have 1 year experience before you make the big bucks.
Traffic alert.
Explosions have been heard in multiple cities, including the capital, Kyiv. Ukraine's government says military and civilian infrastructure have been hit. Traffic leaving the capital is said to be heavy, along with long lines at gas stations.
This is not an abstract country, not to me and not to lots of others. And the Ukrainians are fighting for their lives.
says a full-scale invasion is underway in that country.
Challenge number one on the way to California was driving on these roads with fresh snow, and I think Kevin did pretty well, but we're about to experience the next issue, which is a close call with an accident. So please join us in the next video. You can see what happens. Be sure that if you liked this video, you give it a thumbs up. Put your comments and questions below and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Have a great day. With love from Kevin and Tanya. Bye.